Good day mga chings, another day, another blessing. Nasa tanos, so nasa another order. So the flavor of the cake is chocolate. And this is the Choco Moist cake and the dimension is 7x4. So this is a small cake. So the theme of this cake is Jollibee. So I think ko ani nga ako, final color is red. So ato na lang kita mag-search sa Google no for reference photo sa atong Jollibee theme cake. So dako jud help ang Google no or ang YouTube no kung asa ka maghuwag idea or reference. So mga toppers na araman sa dito ready ra sa nimo to print. And then this is it, no? Nagpadayon tayo mag-icing ta sa atong cake. The second color sa akong cake is light pink. Ako na siyang gibaga ang light pero I have to final that color into red. So light, nag-mix lang ko red using gamay lang nga icing, red lang nga dark. So moto siya itong gibutang sa outer sa atong cover sa atong cake for final color. So the printable toppers are ready. And then ato na siya ipamutang. And I'm very thankful for this order because since 1 month old until 11 months old until 1 year old, kani si Ma'am diri gyud nag-order sa ato asigi. Until karon nga mag 2 years old na si Gail. To Ma'am LD, thank you so much for always keep on trusting Chains Cake. So atong main character nga sa Jollibee atong ibutang sa front side sa cake. So this is it, our Jollibee theme cake. Again, thank you so much Ma'am LV for always keep on trusting Chains. And to mga ka-Chains, thank you for watching and God bless.